There are lies, there are damned lies, and then there are statistics. I like to open my study of statistics with my students with this quote, and I often ask them what they think it means. And typically, my students say that there are lies, and then there are the truth. So, statistics through the lens of many of my high school students, anyway, is that numbers can be believed. But then I have this slide that is something my husband likes to say all the time. I'm 100% right 50% of the time. And I have that graphic of people scratching their head like, technically, maybe I can understand the math that goes on behind there, but that statement is meant to be confusing. And so I think that's what Mark Twain was referencing when he says there are lies, there are damn lies, and then there are statistics that you can come up with factual numeric data, and there are ways to make the numbers say whatever you want them to say. So at the introduction here of the course, there are a lot of questions about bias and whether or not you are reading and being justified in the way that you are presenting your data. So, the definition of statistics is the science of planning studies and experiments, obtaining data, organizing, summarizing, presenting, analyzing, and interpreting those data. And so in the interpretation portion of it, you want to be authentic to the data and say what the data is saying and not present it in any kind of biased way. Data is the collection of observations such as measurements, gender, or survey responses. And so we're just in the introductory phase here of understanding what is statistics, what do we call the things that we think are lies, and how do we take data and how do scientists take data and present it in a way that is believable and authentic.